Hey guys, this is Aaron with Blue Collar Bike Works. You can also follow me on Steemit as Harley Mechanics with an X. Today we're doing a review on a Jesse James knife. As you guys know, I'm in Central Texas and Jesse James is in Austin. And I got a hold of a brand new Jesse James Nomad. And we're gonna do a quick unboxing and show you guys this blade and check it out. So here we go. Box is kind of nice. I do like the logo. He calls himself the Pope of Welding, and as you see, the hammer is shaped like a Pope's hat. So here's the blade. It also comes with a certificate of authenticity signed by the man himself. And in his package, pretty plainly, but this knife just came out and there's not a whole lot of them out there yet. Retail on this knife is $339 is what they're going for. This is the titanium version. They have two versions. This blade is solid titanium, and they have a carbon fiber as well. You can see the logo on there. Now the design on this knife is something I've not seen anywhere else. A little bit of research tells me that Smith & Wesson actually made a knife similar to this, but I'll show you how it works. It's pretty weird and it takes a little bit getting used to, but it hinges open like that and then the blade slides out. And so the handle is kind of this free-floating pivot design. I'll show you again how it works. It's kind of similar to a butterfly, but a little bit different. You can open it one-handed, but I haven't practiced with it enough to get it down quick, and it's even harder to close because you have to get it in the right pivot area for it to slide. Another thing about it is there's no lock or anything, so holding it, it does have a nice feel to it, but that handle does move a little bit because there's no lock or anything like that to lock it in place. But there are serrations on the side that make it easy to grip. And overall, the finish on this thing is incredible. It is a good looking piece, but like everything that Jesse James puts his name on, it is pretty much top quality. Like I said, this thing is 100% titanium, and they have a carbon fiber option where the blade is 100% carbon fiber, some type of stuff. I don't know. I have not seen that one yet. But as far as the heft of this blade, it's pretty light considering it's titanium. I think if it was all steel, it would be really heavy. We'll see how sharp it is. Yeah, it is definitely sharp. So I would expect nothing less from the Pope of Welding himself. But I love the blade profile on this knife. It is like a Tanto type blade, but you can see the machine work on it is very precision. There are no machine marks anywhere that I can see. Everything is spot on, from the blade to the angles to everything. So it is a pretty impressive piece. You can kind of see in here, there is a oil impregnated brass bushing here and here on the bottom. Those are the pivot points. So it shouldn't need any lubrication, but it is pretty, it's pretty smooth as far as the way it works. So, pretty nice. And it folds up nice for a pocket carry. It's nice and flat. It doesn't have a bulky profile. The only drawback is it doesn't have a pocket clip on it anywhere, so it would just have to go in your pocket, which is not entirely that bad of a deal. I prefer clip-on pocket knives just because that's what I'm mainly used to, but I would definitely carry this piece. as probably a backup, and it is really, really sharp. So I would see this being a titanium, as this thing is going to last forever. I don't think you could tear it up even if you wanted to. Like I said, retail on this is $339. You can get them on Jesse James's website, or if you happen to be in Austin, you could probably track them down and buy them there. But overall, it is pretty badass. So if you guys like the video, you want to see more knife reviews, definitely give me a follow, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you're on Steemit, give me an upvote and a follow. I will put this video on YouTube. I'll also put it on Steemit and DTube. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.